Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing our weekly plan with me in my ERIN CONDREN hourly life planner. Okay, it's another week, so it's another hourly plan with me, and I swear, I keep telling myself I'm going to paint my nails, and I never do. Like, I really need to get back on that. I know it, doesn't really matter, but it matters to me. But here is the last week. It turned out so gorgeous. I don't know, it just turned out really cute. I love these full boxes. I had to cover up this because it has the name of my daughter's doctor. But yeah, I love how this turned out. I didn't find another use for this habit tracker, and honestly, I'm not going to do this anymore. Ever since starting my print impression weeks, which if you're interested to see a flip through of this, I will leave it linked up above, but it is my last video on YouTube. But ever since using this, this is my everyday planner. I feel like I've been struggling with this planner in particular, because I didn't know if I should be using this for my tasks or if I should use my ERIN CONDREN A5 Daily Duo agenda, but this really answers that for me. This is really my everyday, everything's in here type of planner. I call it my task planner because it really just has all of my tasks, and I also track my habits. I have a place for, well, it's not that one. I have a place for my videos and my meal plan. This is my everyday planner. So like I said, if you're interested in this, I will leave it linked up above, and it is also my last video on YouTube. But yeah, so we're done with this week, turning the page to a new, fresh week. This week we are going to use this gorgeous kit from Krissyanne Designs. It was a collab kit that she had done with, I don't even know the name of the person, but it's really gorgeous. And yeah, that is what we're doing. So let's get into it. I think we're going to use this at the top, just because that's what I want to do. I miss using the thick washi at the top. My daughter is laughing, so if you can hear that, I don't know. They're characters. So we're going to do this. We're going to go back to this style. You can kind of see the writing in the back because this is such a light washi strip, but I'm okay with it. I'm gonna just let it be this week. I really don't want to have to sit there and deal with the whiteout, so yeah, this is how we are going to do it. We'll use this for the sidebar. The sidebar is the place I'm actually kind of most I don't know about right now, just because I don't know, I still want to use it to track my Happy Mail, so we'll continue to do that. I really want to use this, but I don't know what I'll use it for, but I guess we can just put it down. Let's see. I don't know, I feel like it's still crooked, but we'll leave it. Let's see. Let's do this other side. I also added this little placemat for some background contrast. I don't know if I like it yet, but I feel like everyone was using them, and I really like the way they look. And I found that while I was grocery shopping last night, so I thought I'd try it out. I feel like it kind of blends in with my background a little too much, so I might have to try and find a new one, but we'll see. For now, we're trying it out. So there's ever so slightly a little sliver of color there, but I'm gonna leave it because it's not honestly bothering me that bad. And then I don't know what she is laughing about. Alrighty, we're almost there. I don't think I'm going to use a bottom washi this week just because this kit doesn't have one, and I'm okay with going without, honestly. I just love like the gentle colors in this kit. It's really like calming. All right. Gotta make sure we're centered. But there is pretty much the most of the setup. Let's see what we have. Oh, we have like a thin washi strip. I could put that at the bottom, but we'll wait and see. I have this weekend banner. Oh, this is so pretty. Here's our weekend sign. I think I will use this thin washi strip. I do like this a lot. I don't know if I like that, honestly. We're gonna use it. I want bottom washi, so I'm just gonna cut off this excess and I will be right back. Perfect. Where did I put that cap? Here it is. Alrighty, so there is our base. Like, we have it all set up. Now I think we need to focus on some of the bigger things for the week. So for work, I will use these, and I think I'm gonna color code, honestly. You know, I'm kind of getting tired of this. I miss just having my planner out, so we're gonna do that. All right, I like just folding it over on itself, so this is how we're gonna do it. So work, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we have off, Thursday and Friday. Perfect. So those will be for work. Honestly, I don't really know what this planner is going to be for me. I've just used it for so long. Like, I love planning out my week. I feel like it's just more of an excuse for me to use my sticker kits, honestly. Let me draw in my meal plan line before we move any further. Perfect. So I just used my Zebra Sarasa Speedy to write that in. I'm really liking this pen again. Let's see here. We're in frame. I'm almost wanting to do like a straight across, but then again, I'm also like, I was thinking about it. Okay, hold on. Backtrack. Saturday is the Coffee Monsters Co. birthday bash. I am so excited, and I need to put that in. I love these. Like, it's the design. It's just so pretty. So that is on Saturday. Okay, what are we doing? Like I said, I'm tempted to do like a straight across thing with a checklist, but I'm not really using this planner as like a to-do list anymore. So I almost don't want to do that either. But what we can do is do kind of what we did last week, and like on the days we have videos to use a checklist. So that would be Monday. See, this is what I don't like about color blocking, because Wednesday and Friday are the same colors, and I don't even have another green one. So now it's gonna like throw everything off. I love this blue though, and I really want to use it. Maybe we can just get away with it. Okay, so those can be for videos. And then you know what? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. So we're gonna backtrack here for a minute. Okay. So what we're gonna do Monday, Wednesday, Friday. We're gonna use this like blank dot in between. And now we can keep with our color blocking. And then for our Instagram posts, we'll use these. Or you know what, we need to switch that around. Okay, there. So that is for our videos. I don't really think there's much else to put down. So let's do our sidebar really quick. Need some blue. And then do we have this for Happy Mail. So I'm going to, we don't have much Happy Mail. Honestly, we only have 2, so I'm really proud of myself for whittling that down. So there, that will be our mail tracker. Honestly, I could have like used that don't forget, but we'll keep that for now. Oh yeah, we have these, and I like to use these for when I have them for the meal plan line. Perfect. I think we have everything down. Now it's just the full boxes. Yeah, we can use this little, oh wait, there's a payday. There's 2 paydays actually. So let's see. My payday's on Saturday, but I don't know if they're gonna move that to Friday. I never know with my job, honestly. But we'll just keep it on Saturday because that's the day it's supposed to be. I get paid on the 5th and the 20th of every month. So, but some days like they come earlier. And I don't know the reasoning. And then the 21st is another payday, which I don't really know what I want to use. And it's orange, so I think we'll use this. There. That works. Okay, let's go in with our full boxes. And what I was saying, I don't think I'm going to use full boxes on the weekends. Because if you flip back, like it really takes up the majority of your space. I know I kind of have some extra room down here. Last week I used that thick washi, so it ate up a lot of room, but I still don't think I want to use any full boxes here, just to free up space. And if I don't do anything, I can always go back and put more in. I am not a morning person. Oh, but we're hold on. We are color blocking, so I kind of want to use them accordingly. So Monday we'll use this. Oh wait, yeah, we'll use this. And then we have, okay, see, this is how it's not gonna work because there's no green. That sucks. Let's see. It's not really any way around it, so we'll just use blue. So yeah, that is what we'll do. And then if I don't do that much on the weekends that I really want to note it, I will throw some of these in there. I kind of really want to use this somewhere. Ooh, we could I like that. Okay. We'll do that. I'm trying to think if there's much else I want to mark. I don't know. I think we'll stick with this. We'll go in and write everything in. I will use my uni pen, and then some places I will use the Sarasa Dry on the actual paper. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so there is our week. I love how this turned out. Again, just so calming and so serene. Like, I love the colors in this kit, and I'm happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thanks for hanging out with me for a bit. I know it really wasn't much of anything like talking wise, but I love doing these videos. They really like calm and center me. So yeah, I will see you guys on Wednesday with another video. And yeah, thanks again. Bye guys.